Yeah. So, hello everyone. Am I audible out there?
Yes, you are audible, but we can't see your screen. Are you sharing your screen?
No, I'm not sharing. I'll be sharing.
Okay, okay.
First, I'll start with the introduction. So, hello everyone. Thank you for sharing your valuable time with me. Also, I would like to thank the Tublian community for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak on the topic of AI, its use and applications. Before I start, I would like to give a small brief information about me. My full name is Ruhi Saif Khan. I am born and brought up in Pune, Maharashtra, India. I am graduated this year from VCSES College. Okay, so without any delay, let's deep dive into the topic. So I'll be sharing my screen within a moment. Just is my screen visible?
It's coming up. Yes, it
Hello?
is. Yes, it is visible now. Yes.
Yes. So my topic is AI, the use and its application. So basically, AI is the field of computer science that is associated with the concept of machine learning, thinking like human, to perform tasks such as learning, problem solving, planning, reasoning, and identifying patterns. So we'll see few examples of applications. So basically, applications are the technology which can help us in thinking and using. So first is like a search engine, Google, for example. Then is content recommendation. Example is Netflix, YouTube. Then is self-driving vehicle for navigation purpose. Then is facial recognition for the smartphone to unlock. Then is computer games and spam filters. Then next is what is the AI key technologies. So the key technologies are machine learning, then it's deep learning, networks, then is natural language processing, then is computer vision, then is cognitive computing. Yes, so we'll be seeing these points. Machine learning, this is training algorithms to learn from data. So basically, there is a data present there, and from the data, the AI is going to make a program, make an algorithm according to the data. Then is natural language processing, which is NLP, understanding and interpreting human language, like translation, language translation, which we use on the Google. Then is computer vision, it is interpreting visual information from images and videos, such as medical images. Then is autonomous vehicles. Then robotics, creating robots that performs tasks autonomously. Then is neural networks. So basically, a neural network is a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computer to process data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. So it is a type of machine learning process called deep learning. So that uses interconnected nodes and neurons in a layered structure that resembles the human brain. Next is how we can use AI in day to day life. So, in this chart, we can see smart assistant. So, the smart assistant, the example of smart assistant is Siri, Alexa. Then is e commerce enhancement. So, we can use AI in e commerce, such as it personalized products. Then the recommendation chat box, virtual shopping assistant, dynamic pricing, then fraud detections, and etc. Then the third is autonomous vehicle. So in self-driving cars is used for sensing, decision making, predictive modeling, and natural language processing. So this enables them to de- detect objects, predict behavior, plan routes, and communicate with the passengers, ensuring a safe driving experience. Then the fourth is personalized learning, then smart content creation, AI driven classrooms for adaptable access. Then, fifth point is personalized services and products, creating opportunities, then managing risk and frauds, enable transparency and compliance, and automate operations and reduce cost. So, there are many ways we can use AI in our day to day life, but these are few examples. Then, the advantages and disadvantages. So, before starting with this point, I would like to ask all of you that how many of you agree that AI is taking the jobs, like completely vanishing the jobs? Anyone?
I think someone said they haven't. Harsha, his reaction.
Anyone?
Yeah, Ruhi Harsha said he hasn't. He is the reaction.
Okay,
Yeah, I haven't too.
okay, sure. So yes, so the advantages are zero risk. Then is availability 24/7. Sorry, just a moment. Yes, sorry for the inconvenience. So there is the disadvantages like zero risk, 24/7 availability. Then is digital assistant, and the disadvantages is high cost, no creativity, and unemployment. So the applications of AI in these applications are in every field like healthcare, finance, automotives, manufacturing, educations, and etc. So AI is in every field. So safety measures for using AI, this is a very important note. We should take into our consideration that data privacy and security. This is to safeguard sensitive data, then fairness and bias, to mitigate biases in data sets and modeling. Then is transparency, accountability, robustness, ethical considerations, and monitoring and updating. So these are the points we should take into our major considerations before using the AI. And if safety measures are not taken, so this can be a very dangerous thing, like privacy breaches, then bias and discriminations, accountability issues, then system vulnerability, and many more things. So it is essential to take proper measures and use AI in a good way. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much, Ruhi, for that session. So I don't know if
Thank
anyone
you.
has any question for Ruhi. Ruhi, do you mind sharing your
So
slide?
anyone have any questions?
Ruhi, do you mind sharing your slides? Just so maybe your link to your slides so we can share to the
Okay.
community.
Ruhi, I have a question.
Yes.
Hi, that was a good presentation. Uh, so, as a software developer, how are you preparing yourself for tomorrow? Given
So
AI will be automating lots of stuff for us, how should we
yes.
prepare?
So we can do one thing is we can learn to use AI in a productive manner.
Could you give an example? What do you mean by that?
Yes. So sorry. Uh, Yes, I have an example like we can use Chat GPT, Black Box for the coding part, and yes, I have this example.
Hi Neil, does that answer your question?
Oh yeah, sorry. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Ruhi.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you very much, Ruhi. Does any other person have a question for Ruhi? Alright, so I don't think there is any other question. So I would like to um, talk about some of the new updates that we've done. Thank you very much for that session, Ruhi. Like I said earlier, if you want to be part of our next session, the next, if you want to be a speaker in our next community call, you can send in a, you can send in a, you can fill the form. Actually, I dropped the link to the form in the chat, so you can fill the form, and we will prepare for your own session and invite you to come and speak. If we also made some updates on our products, we made an update on our product page, on our open source page. We made another update on our Jobs Copilot page. So in case you want to check it out, right now you can now discover open source projects with just a prompt. You can discover open source projects with just a prompt. The same way you can also discover jobs with just a prompt. So you can just go there and check, oh, can you show me jobs in Europe? Can you show me jobs in Malta, jobs in Netherlands? And with just a prompt, you can be able to discover jobs. We That's a new update, and we are really excited with that update, so you might want to check it out. Also, if you are not part of our community, join our community, follow us on social media. We have some things on social media. On we have we had like an in-person event in Kigali last week, and it was a very interesting one. We had a lot of people to come out. It was in Africa here, and we talked about how we can use AI in Africa. And then we'll be having some of these in-person events all over the world. We'll be having in India, we'll be having in in Togo in the coming months. So do well to be part of it. If we're bringing this in-person event close to you, do well to be part of it. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming out. Our community call is always like to have someone in our community talk about any topic that they're interested in, and also to give to updates on products, and have conversations around what we are doing. So at this point, I'm going to give space to see if anybody have any question about Tublian or anything that we are doing, or you want to lay any complaint at all. So we're just going to give a few minutes for you to do that, and then we call it a day for today. So guys, does any of you have any question or anything you want to talk about Tublian? I'm going to end the recording for now, so everything you say will be off record. Thank you.